I'm Paul Spencer, I'm the site operations manager. I've been with Church Dwight 11 years now, so I started off as continuous improvement manager and brought Lean and Six Sigma up to the UK business, then became production manager, and now I look after all the processing, all the maintenance and all the production. I felt that I was driving on my own sort of 10 years ago with the Lean and the Six Sigma banners, and the journey's been pretty long and hard really, but now it's quite refreshing. There's lots of belief at a very, very senior level. You know, we wouldn't be sitting here today if there wasn't belief in Lean and some of the tools and some of the things like TPM, so it's absolutely fantastic for me. I'm very passionate about the Lean way. And I've introduced an awful lot to the plant here, and we've got some fantastic people.
The key to the success of the programme is definitely the participation of everybody on the site. We're starting off small and with a pilot project and a pilot team, but we will roll that out across the whole site and include everybody and every piece of equipment, because it needs to be adopted by everybody on the site.
When you turn around to an engineer and you say 0 breakdowns, every single one of them does the same thing. What? So to have that fully explained to me, even on the first 2 days, it now makes an awful lot of sense. So instead of talking to other engineers and saying, we're never going to achieve 0 breakdown, I can now turn around and say, actually no, hold on. There is a methodical process to this, and when you look at the information that you're being provided and the methodologies that you're going through, it makes perfect sense.
When it was approached at zero breakdowns, it was sort of like, how can that be? But when it gets explained to you, you kind of understand now that it's not really a case of nothing's ever going to break down, it's you capture it before it happens.
My desire for the organisation is that they continue this journey on, and there's no end. It becomes a way of life. So everyone here lives and breathes Lean. It's the culture, how we are, and certainly that we use the TPM program to further improve our OEE.
The majority of the assistance is going to be around everybody buying into the same system, that we do things to a standard, that we do them when we say we're going to do them, to the standard that we say we're going to do them, and everybody does them the same way. So that, to me, will be hugely beneficial.
I think the work with Henken is quite critical for us. It's going to speed up that journey. We're going to stick to those standards, because from what I've seen of the TPM program and what Henken have showed us, we must follow quite rigorously the standard all the way through to get the results we want in the end.
It's a very exciting journey. It's not going to be an easy journey. It's not going to be quick journey, but I'm sure that we can achieve that goal.
Yeah, in the beginning I was sceptical, definitely, because I didn't think, the 0 breakdowns, really? Is that ever going to happen? But now I've been educated on it and understand the thought processes and what we have to do to achieve it. It's actually quite believable.
Our maintenance teams need some sort of standard themselves. They've done extremely well, but there's never been something to work against or to. It means a great deal to us for them to have some standard from Henken to follow, and above all, it's going to increase OEE. So yeah, we're looking forward to it.
My big scepticism was on 0 breakdowns, whereas now I don't have that anymore. In fact, it's more of I really want to see if we can get this done in the time frame that you guys have provided us. I'm raring to get onto it. I'm almost waiting for January to turn up so we can get started.
My message for everyone starting the TPM journey is that it will be a success. Buy into it from the beginning and it will work.
The results I'm already seeing in the change in the people. I know it's going to be worthwhile. I know we're going to get to a position of improving our efficiencies, to reducing downtime to that 0 point. It's very, very employee focused. It's about the people. It's engaging with the people and engaging the teams together. So as long as everyone's doing that, I think everyone will be extremely successful in this program.